Live in a place where nature and comfort come together in perfect harmony in the heart of the gated Cap Cana resort. This gorgeous development consists of 2 and 3 bedroom villas, each with a private pool and spacious backyard. These villas are beautifully designed to maximize space and showcase attention to detail. Enjoy entertaining friends and family on the outdoor patio, overlooking the pool and garden. The development amenities include a gated entrance, clubhouse, market, and pharmacy. Owners will also enjoy additional benefits to the endless amenities within Cap Cana, such as beautiful beaches, golf courses, restaurants, spas, and more. Contact Coldwell Banker Prime Realty for more information on this listing.